Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by inspecting the break closely with a magnifier to see whether it's a torn link, open jump ring, or failed clasp. Once identified, clean both ends with alcohol so solder or adhesive bonds properly. Prepare tools: needle nose pliers for gripping, round nose for shaping, and solder kit if the metal allows. Alternatively, use jeweler's glue for plated pieces. Begin by stabilizing the necklace on a soft pad so it won't twist while you work. You now reconnect the piece. If it's a jump ring, twist it open sideways and thread both ends of the chain through. Make sure to twist closed snugly to restore strength. For a broken clasp, remove the old ring and attach a new clasp using a sealed jump ring, then fold the ring twice for security. If a solid link broke, soldering provides a permanent fix. Heat, apply solder, then cool and polish. For plated jewelry, use jeweler's glue and clamp briefly for 2-5 minutes. You finish by filing any rough edges, polishing the repaired area, and ensuring the chain hangs straight. This restores both comfort and appearance. Once done, test the repair with a gentle tug and run the clasp through 5-10 opening cycles to confirm durability. If the joint still flexes or reopens, reinforce it with a second jump ring or resolder the link. When repeated failure occurs, take it to a jeweler for professional soldering to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.